In industries like oil and gas, emergency response training is a necessity. Facilities operate with complex equipment, hazardous materials, and tightly coordinated teams. When something goes wrong, the response must be immediate, coordinated, and confident. Training is what prepares teams for that moment. One of the most common methods used across the industry is tabletop exercise. A tabletop session typically brings together supervisors, response teams, control room staff, and sometimes external agencies. A facilitator introduces an incident scenario, and the group works through the response step by step, discussing decisions, communications, and escalation points. These exercises serve a useful purpose. They help validate emergency plans, clarify responsibilities, and identify gaps in coordination. But organizing them is not always simple. Large oil and gas companies often operate across multiple sites and regions. Bringing the right people together for a single tabletop session can involve coordinating shift schedules, management availability, and sometimes travel between facilities. There are also indirect costs: staff time spent away from operations, meeting room coordination, facilitation, preparation of materials, and the administrative work required to document the exercise and capture lessons learned. For multinational organizations, repeating this process across several facilities each year becomes a significant operational effort. And while tabletop exercises are valuable for discussion and planning, they rely heavily on imagination. Participants talk through scenarios, they describe what might happen and what actions they would take, but they rarely experience the scenario itself. This is where virtual simulation is beginning to change the structure of emergency response training. Instead of relying only on discussion-based formats, teams can now train in immersive environments that visually represent the facility and the evolving incident. Virtual simulation allows organizations to supplement traditional training with interactive sessions where scenarios can unfold dynamically. A fire can spread, visibility can drop, access routes can become blocked, conditions can escalate or stabilize depending on the decisions made during the exercise. This creates a different type of learning environment. Teams are not only discussing what they would do, they are experiencing the situation, reacting to it, and adapting as conditions change. Another advantage is repeatability. In a virtual simulation environment, scenarios can be run multiple times with different variables. Teams can test alternative decisions, review outcomes, and build familiarity with complex situations without requiring the logistical setup of large-scale drills or in-person tabletop sessions. For an industry that operates in volatile markets, this flexibility matters. Energy prices fluctuate, operations must remain efficient. Organizations need to maintain high safety standards while managing costs and logistical constraints. Virtual simulation offers a way to improve training quality while reducing the operational burden of organizing traditional sessions. It does not replace physical drills where equipment and physical response must be tested, but it can replace or enhance many of the classroom-based formats that have historically dominated emergency response training. By moving part of that training into immersive, repeatable environments, organizations can increase training frequency, explore more complex scenarios, and build stronger preparedness across teams. As the industry continues to modernize its operations, training methods are beginning to evolve as well. Virtual simulation is becoming one of the tools helping organizations prepare for emergencies in a way that is more practical, more scalable, and better aligned with the realities of modern energy operations. If you'd like to discuss how SDRX could take your emergency response training above the rest, email us at info@structurist.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, like the video.